Okay, I picked up a new project. This should be a quick project. Non-running lawnmower. Guy said it kicked the belt when he was riding it last and he just parked it. Okay, so we have 1989 Murray. Hasn't ran in, I think he said a year, maybe two. Gas tank is empty. The oil, it's there. And it's got a fancy little chrome air cleaner on it. So it came with a battery, but as you imagine, sitting there dormant for a year or so, it was dead. So right now I have it on the charger. Well, let me back that up. I've already charged it. I've charged it for about 18 hours. And it finally came to 13 volts. Right now I have it on a desulfator. It's been on the desulfator for about 3 hours right now. I checked the cranking voltage it had after I started, and it was at like 238, and it's a 340, so it was a little weak. Let's see what happens when we put the desulfator through it. Maybe it'll bring it back to life for us. But anyways, I can use another battery to try to start it. I'll use my battery out of the Blazer here and pour a little fresh gas. I'll probably pour it straight in the carburetor and see if we can start it. See if she does anything. Nothing. Well, let's make sure we got juice right to the starter. Okay. Wants to start. Okay, so she runs. battery, she's good to go. Okay, so we'll put a little gas in the fuel tank. See if there's any leaks anywhere. We'll know pretty quick. I came here and I opened up the fuel nozzle, and I'll just dump a little gas, I guess. See if I see any leaks. Oh yeah, we got leaks. Yeah, we got leaks. We'll go ahead and turn that off. I'll probably just buy a new carburetor. They're cheap enough. I kind of expected this with a lawnmower that sits. Important thing is we heard it run. So that's a big step for us. Okay, back on the tractor. For you guys, it's been a few seconds. For me, it's been about 2 days. New carburetor came in. Interestingly enough, the exhaust had to come out to get to the carburetor bolt. We had one sketchy bolt taking it out, but by the grace of God, it came out in one piece and didn't snap. Oh, let's pray we have the same grace when it goes in. So now we're just going to clean off the surface area for new gaskets. I'm going to take my file, my thread file, and just clean up these threads a little bit. Not sure if you can see right in this area. There's just some chunky stuff in there. Don't cost anything to spend a few extra minutes making sure everything's right. We can shortcut the hard stuff. Here's a good example. Kind of see right in that area. These thread files I use a lot. I love these things. Where my father's. Fortunately, he's not here with us anymore, so using some of his tools kind of keeps the connection alive. So you can see now it's an actual normal thread. We're good. Okay guys, so what I'm finding out is right inside of here, it's like a little shelf, I guess you can call it, that this rod sits on. So, and this right here is the choke. And when you go to choke, it catches it and pulls it. So that's how we're going to assemble it. Okay, so let's put our rod in. Ain't gonna lie, it feels kind of sketchy, but that's what I've been finding. Let's push this vent tube in. Okay. So my rod is just sitting up here now. That over there. That's why they give you 2 gaskets, I guess. So when the first one falls, you just grab the next. Okay. Tool. We'll use the trusty Dremel. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. You see this right here? The bolt, every time I turn it, is hitting the housing on both sides. So we gotta clearance that out a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to use this grinder bit in my Dremel. I use it for a lot of things. Alright, let's make some dust. Okay, I think that'll do it. Let's get the air nozzle and spray some of this dust away. Okay, let's clean up a little bit. So that's the fun part. But hey guys, she's a runner. Hey guys, interesting turn of events happened. This axle I do not feel comfortable using. So we're just going to turn it into a little project mower. Just entered into the lawn tractor build off and see if we can make something happen with her. My plans are to lower it, get it close to the dirt as I can. I'll probably pulley swap it. Nothing too spectacular. I'm definitely going to have to come up with a new design for the steering. So let's just have some fun with this.